Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel Crochet Fashion. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you crochet baby girl frock designs. More elegant, more stunning, more gorgeous designs. Also amazing designs. If any videos related to any pattern related to amazing designs and so give more attractive designs and different gorgeous baby girl frock designs. These masses are carried with babies, any functions, any mini parties, and different cavalier guests for you. Amazing gorgeous videos and standard designs for uploaded for you, like demanding videos for uploaded for you, and quickly response this video and then next videos uploaded for you and your choice, and depend on your choice, like more attractive, more stunning videos. Amazing gorgeous ideas. These designs are so amazing designs, are so amazing gorgeous videos, like more attractive, more stunning videos. You get many more attractive baby girls frocks for 2 colors combination, 3 colors combination, and hand knitted work totally. These are more elegant ideas, more stunning videos. These designs are so gorgeous. I hope you found this video, and if any videos related to any pattern I'll upload it for you. And babies frocks are totally designs different for 2023. I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegant and more stunning videos. If any videos related to any pattern, related to any more gorgeous designs, like more amazing videos, if any gorgeous videos for more stunning ideas. You like this video, and press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel Crochet Fashion. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you